Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a favorite place in Waze. So saving a location as a favorite in Waze makes it easier to find and navigate to places you visit frequently. So actually guys, first you will need to open Waze on your smartphone and then just tap the search icon or bar that you can find at the bottom of your screen or your phone's screen. So here you will need to search for the place or address you want to save. So for example, I will go with that place or address, right? And then just go with save. Okay, all right, so that way you will save it to your saved section or favorite section, or you can just go to the saved here and then go with add place and just type it to save it. So for example, I will go with that one, Port Marina Smear, and then I will go with done. And yeah, so let's just retap it. So as you can see, I added it to the saved places or the favorite places, right? So now if you are asking how to access my favorites, you will need just to open Waze, tap on the search bar and then just go with saved here, right? Okay, so once you tap on saved, you will find your favorite and saved places. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.